You can create, edit, or save documents by clicking the File drop-down menu or using the Home tab commands. Clicking New creates a new document. Notice the terminal window at the bottom of the screen. It records all commands and inputs. The File commands on the Home tab allow the user to easily manage documents. When saving, ensure that you've selected the proper location and file extension. Save As opens a similar menu. The Edit and Work Plane commands are on the main toolbar. To hide a geometry, click it and click Hide. To view a geometry, click it and click Show. All will be hidden if none were selected. Clicking Show makes all geometries appear. Press Ctrl-Z to undo a command. Ctrl-Y redoes the command. The Work Plane commands on the Home tab allow the user to customize the work plane. These new work planes can be saved, used, and controlled from the work tree. Click 3 points, then click the first point to set the work plane origin, and click to set the second and third points. Notice how the work plane orientation has changed according to the set points. To save the work plane, right-click it on the work tree and select Save Work Plane. Right-clicking the new work plane opens a menu with relevant options. Click Parallel to set the desired value of the offset of the work plane. Notice the offset at the bottom of the geometry. Click 3D to view the work plane without the offset. You can change the offset by repeating the process. Right-click the new work plane on the work tree to open the menu. You can continue to increase or decrease the offset by repeating the process until you achieve the desired results. The offset can be seen by the grid intersecting the geometry. Delete a work plane by right-clicking it and selecting Remove. To save a work plane, right-click it and select Save Work Plane. Right-clicking the new work plane opens its menu. Clicking the 3D button again allows you to view the work plane without the offset. You can select items on the work plane by clicking and dragging from left to right to create a selection window. The geometries crossed by the window will turn red. Press Escape to cancel the selection. To create a cross selection, click and drag from right to left. Like before, geometries crossed will turn red. Again, pressing Escape will deselect the objects. You can also simply click on objects to select them. To delete the selected objects, press Cancel. Navigating using your mouse and keyboard. You can pan the view of the space by holding down the mouse wheel and dragging the mouse left, right, up, and down intuitively to view the space. It's also intuitive to zoom in and out. Simply scroll the mouse wheel up or down. Holding the mouse wheel while pressing Ctrl allows you to rotate the view as we showed in the previous tutorial. You can do this 360 degrees.